I'm Jeff Nicholson, the former Global Chief Media Officer of Vayner and the founder of Nickel Notes. And I'm joined with Olivia Hawkins.
The digital ecosystem is extremely crowded and grows daily as new apps, platform, and technology emerge. You will be asked for a daily budget. This setting is taken as a rolling average. Google Ads is organized into 3 levels in a hierarchy. All in all, there are 14 total placements that advertisers can appear on. Keywords are how Google determines what types of search queries you would like your advertisements to appear with. Knowledge is power. Knowledge shared is power multiplied. Power up.